In this video, I will show you how to limit your results by using the Tweak Your Results filter. After searching your topic, you will find yourself on the results list page, like the one you see on the screen. This number is the matching number of items for your search in the Windward Community College Library catalog. You can find the Tweak Your Results filters on the left side of the results list. Let's take a look at the first one called Limit To. Using this filter, you can limit the results by online format, which are books, videos, and articles accessible online using your Windward Community College account. Physical format will show you materials you can check out from the Windward Community College on campus. Open Access gives you access to free academic journal articles. Just below is the Resource Type filter. This lets you limit your search to the type of resources you want, such as videos, books, or audio recordings. Lastly, you can narrow down your results by using the Creation Date filter. With this filter, you can input a specific time frame you want to focus on, and it will only give you results published during that time frame. Let's give it a try by using the results list for our sugar search. In the Limit To, choose Physical Formats and press the green Apply Filter button that pops up. For resource type, let's select Audio Recordings and Books and Apply Filter. Finally, let's input the years 2010 to 2018. And Apply Filter. You will notice that our results list number has gone down. You can view the active filters you have chosen in the upper left-hand corner. To remove a filter, simply click the X. To save your filters for another search, click the Remember All Filters button. Now that you know how to use the Tweak Your Results filters, you will be able to find resources that best match your needs. Happy searching!